we left O'Reilly's in Bowling Green, we had to make up some time. We done spent a couple hours going to Hospital O'Reilly's. They didn't have what we needed. Worked on the car in the parking lot. They called Bowling Green, O'Reilly's. They had the carburetor there. We went there, got it, swapped it out on the car. And by that time, we needed to make up a little time. So we jumped on the interstate. We're going to head up and pick up the route where it gets on I-26. And hopefully we'll be able to join right back in with everybody. The car's running great now, running like it's supposed to. That's a good thing. Pop that thermostat housing off. Thermostat out. Well, we're topped off with coolant, and let's see how she does. Go on into the L&N Federal Credit Union. Hopefully not hot. We'll see though. We are back on the road again. See for how long this time. So we left Nashville at 8:30 this morning. And what time is it now?
6:20 or 6:18.
Of course, they're an hour behind us.
No, I think they switched over where they are.
Okay.
So it would have been 9:30 our time.
So how many hours?
That would be 9 hours right now.
9 hours to make a 4-hour trip.
And we ain't there yet.
We still haven't made it. It's all part of the fun. Getting there is half the fun. You know that. I can get shady, woman.
You are not shady. That's Popo.
That's where JB got mugged.
Yeah. I bet this was it, don't you think? Should we pull up and ask them so they don't... What's that down there? That looks like other cars down
Yeah. Slugs. There's that car that was being pushed right there, that blue one.
Oh, was it? Look at that tow truck.
Yeah, that's cool.
Wonder if we're supposed to meet back here. I don't want to come back here in the morning if everybody's going to be gone, and then we just come here for nothing.
They'll probably punch us at Columbus. Just like us, is pulling in a day late and $1 short. Day late and $1 short. We've been all week. We're still having a little bit of trouble. Just a little bit. I know you, donut.
Oh my Lord. I'm getting fumigated. So we need to sit here for a while?
For a minute. Radiator cap. Definitely bad.
I can't believe those cops ain't coming down here.
Yeah. I guess they're just letting everybody do it.
That record thing has a YouTube channel. I couldn't think what I was trying to say.
Reverse smart. See that radiator cap? It shouldn't let all the steam out like that. It's already depressurized.
You've already turned it?
No, but I know it. Every time I've taken it off, sure I didn't get it full. When I took the thermostat out, or it blew it all out. It took 2 gallons.
Oh wow! I'm glad we checked it.
Yeah. Do a burnout. You do a burnout.
Yeah, we ain't trying to get arrested. No, thank you.
Kentucky. We are close to home, folks. Go back to the shop, tune up a couple things, be ready to go tomorrow.